Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the dodge and burn effect on an image of your choice. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, so keep on watching. So to start, open an image you would like to work on. So to apply the dodge effect first, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Curves. Adjust the curve so it lighter. Then I'm going to invert the color of the layer mask by pressing Ctrl and I, which has now changed it to black. Now using the brush tool, set the foreground color to white and apply the dodge effect where you want. I'm applying it on the model in this image. It's very simple and straightforward, especially using Photoshop as it makes it convenient when using different tools. So now to make the image look realistic, Image, Apply Image, make sure the layer is merged, channel is RGB, invert is not ticked, multiply is blending, and opacity is set to 100%. Then click OK. Now to apply the burn effect, we are going to follow a similar process. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Curves, adjust the curve to a darker hue, then invert by pressing Ctrl and I, and using the square bracket to make the brush size larger, apply the burn effect where you want until you are happy with the result. Then to apply a realistic effect, go to Image, Apply Image, keeping everything the same but ensure the invert is clicked and click OK. To see the difference between before applying dodge and burn, make the layers invisible like so. If you would like to intensify the effects of burn and dodge, click on the thumbnail of the layer and continue brushing, applying the effects on the areas that require it. And there you have it. Hope you have learned something new today. Please leave any suggestions below and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.